Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give access to Google Sheets to everyone in just a few clicks. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to open a document or file that you wanted to share to everyone. So for me, I already have a sample here as you can see on my screen. So once the file or the document is open, just go to the top right corner and you will see the share button. So click that one, guys. So after that, guys, go to the general access. So here, guys, you can, like, you wanted to share this to everyone, right? So click that one and just choose the anyone with the link. Okay, so after that, guys, it will update. And if you wanted to share this to anyone, guys, you might want to make them as just a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. So it's up to you, guys. So for me, I'm going to share this to everyone or to anyone to become or just become a viewer. So after that, guys, if you finish selecting those three, so just click the done button. And after that, guys, you're good to go. So that's it, guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy in this quick tutorial. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you. Bye bye.